Allow me to share something with you. Affirmations are a powerful tool for attracting positive outcomes in life. They can move mountains. They can heal wounds. But sometimes, we forget our own power to shape our reality. That's where affirmations come in. They're like little love notes to yourself. They remind you of your worth. They open your heart to possibilities. When you start your day with positive affirmations, you're setting the tone. You're telling the universe, I'm ready, I'm open, I'm deserving. Daily practice is key. Believe in your affirmations and visualize your desired outcomes. Are you ready to begin this journey? Let's go. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How do you actually practice these affirmations? First things first, make it a daily habit. Just like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. Start your day with affirmations. Set aside a few minutes each morning. Look in the mirror, smile at yourself, and speak your affirmations out loud. Don't just say the words. Feel them, believe them, put some emotion behind them. If you're saying, I am worthy of love, really feel that worthiness in your bones. Writing your affirmations can be powerful too. The more you see and say these affirmations, the more they become part of you. And that truth? It's that you're deserving of love. The 21-day journey. Now, let's talk about commitment. They say it takes 21 days to form a habit. So, I'm challenging you to a 21-day journey of daily affirmation practice. For the next 21 days, commit to your affirmations. Make them a non-negotiable part of your day. No excuses, no skipping, just 21 days of consistently focusing yourself through your words. During these 21 days, pay attention to how you feel. Notice the changes in your thoughts, in your energy, in the way you carry yourself, and watch as the world begins to reflect that feeling back to you. Overcoming doubts and staying positive. Let's be real for a moment. This journey isn't always easy. There will be days when doubts creep in, days when you wonder if this is really working. That's normal. That's human. But here's what I want you to remember. Doubts are just thoughts. They're not facts. You have the power to choose which thoughts you believe. When those doubts come knocking, don't open the door. Instead, turn up the volume on your affirmations. Say them louder. Trust in yourself. Because trust me, you've got this. Aligning actions with affirmations. Now, let's talk about walking the talk. It's one thing to say something, but it's another to live it. Affirmations are powerful, but they're even more powerful when you align your actions with your words. Writing them down is just the first step. If you're affirming that you're open to love, make sure you're actually open. Get out there. Meet new people. Try new things. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Put yourself in situations where love could find you. This could be as simple as spending time in places you enjoy. This doesn't mean you need to go on a dating frenzy. It's about quality, not quantity. It's about being open to possibilities. Reflect on what you truly want and be ready to embrace it when it comes. When you radiate love, you become a magnet for it. Your energy attracts similar energy. Embracing your worthiness. As we come to the end of our journey together, I want you to remember one thing. You are worthy. Say it with me. I am worthy. This isn't just an affirmation. It's the truth. It's your birthright. You were born deserving of confidence, and nothing can ever change that. Not your past, not your mistakes, not your doubts. You are worthy just as you are. This journey of using affirmations isn't about changing who you are. It's about embracing who you are. Now go out there and live it.